Boys, what's the deal, baby? It is 6 a.m. and we just got done dropping off Nick, the kid who was in the Pops and Bangs video. Today, I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do, boys. It's another one of those days, so we'll see. But I'm gonna drive home from San Diego, go back up to Carlsbad, and let's get this day started, boys. Oh, watch out, a little tunnel. Time to go take my dog out. Let's get it. Your boy needs some gas, baby. Not just any gas. Woo! Your boy needs the E85. Yeah. Look at this kid, dude.
What's good? Why are you so early? On Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I work in the morning.
I just took Nick to the airport.
Oh, he's going to North Carolina, right?
Yeah. Yup. What are we looking at? Oh, that's good enough.
All right, buddy.
All right, man. I'll see you later. Later enough. Ow. Ooh, my hat. That's one of my buddies. His name's Justin. I was looking inside to see if he was working and I couldn't tell, but like I feel like he never works at like 6 a.m. I just see this cashier inside. I thought he was just flipping off like the screen or something because he was angry, and he kept doing it, and I was like, of course it's Justin. I should have known, but anyways, that's my boy Justin, so everybody say hi to Justin. We're gonna go back to my place right now. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something, and then we're gonna do something else, and then there's gonna be another thing. Okay, another thing.
That's his home.
All right, so I figured out what we're gonna do for now. I was walking down the 101 with my girlfriend the other week and we found some really cool spots that I'm gonna shoot at. So we're gonna go try those out, get the gimbal out. But before all of that, dude, I've gotta go wash my car because it is getting nasty. So we're gonna call my buddy, see if he's around with a power washer. If not, we'll just go ahead and hit it at a regular car wash and get after it. Let's see if this kid answers.
Your call has been forwarded.
Oh, got rejected. Not even just a non-answer, just completely straight up rejected, dude. Wow, dude, that's hardcore. All right, so I guess for now I'm gonna go wash my car by myself. All right, let's do it. All right, so I got you guys up on the GoPro now, which is pretty crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this. Every time I'm on like a big hill like this and I just let it run up to like 3.5, it just goes and goes and goes with the Pops, man. It does not stop. Little pull for the boys. It's getting wet out. Oh, spinning. Woo! Oh yeah, with the overrun, baby. You know what it is? This might be such a bad idea to wash my car right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's kind of raining a little bit. If it gets worse and I wash my car now and I go to the meet later, I'm gonna have water spots. And guess what? Your boy's not gonna be happy with water spots. I also just found out that we're going to a meet later, Tacos and Tuners down in Spring Valley, San Diego. Our boy with the Evo hit us up. Actually, I take that back. I hit him up and asked. He gave me this, so we're gonna go to that tonight, see if I can get some of my buddies to cruise with me. If you guys want like just a straight up video of me doing that with like the external mic on the intake and exhaust, just like a point of view driving video, I'd be super down to try it. I tried it out the other night. Oh, it is aggressive today. It is aggressive today. I don't know what. Oh, it's because I got a full tank. And I just filled up on ethanol, boys. This guy's cutting into my lane. Oh my God. Dude, I'm so cool. I have a Fiesta. Oh my gosh, I'm so cool. He's back. Oh!
What kind of watch look for today?
Basic, it's fine.
Do you mind me asking what you're recording for?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel and I just doing like a little day in the life thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go shoot the car in Encinitas and I'm just washing it before, yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's just Griffin Blanchard.
That's it? Hold on.
Yeah, it's just my name. All right, man, peace.
Have a good one.
You too. Yeah, dude, I'm too lazy to wash my car with my hands, so I'm doing it this way. Yes, sir. Look how pretty that is, bro. Dang. By the way, this could also just totally be me, but when I'm in like car washes like this and I can't see anything and I feel movement, I get really, really dizzy. Today's a good day. Not dizzy yet, but sometimes I do get really dizzy. It's really weird. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, she give me that claim as well. I remember back when I was younger, I was happy. Nowadays feel like no one understand me. I'm good at artists, silly on block, Bambi. Baby's yellow, text. She wanna eat me like candy.
You guys are getting hella GoPro footage today. First time ever using the GoPro, and now it's all I do. My back bumper is actually disgusting. Like, this is a problem for everybody, I'm pretty sure, especially when you have like a modified cat. It's disgusting back here, dude. It's like, I need to get some really gnarly sandpaper and just grind out all the stuff that's embedded in my paint. It's not looking good. Let me know down below if you guys like this GoPro content kind of stuff, because if you want, I can start doing this a lot more, and I kind of like it. I like the way it looks. Can you see that? I look like an absolute fool in public. It's all good. Car's looking way better right now, so let's go to Encinitas. Let's shoot this thing, because I found some cool spots, like I said before, and it's gonna be a chill little shoot. Nice highway pull opportunity. Let's get it. Oh, third gear's looking nice. Oh, wow, really? Right when I was gonna do a pull, dude. What are you doing, bro? Oh, dude, look how sick this is. Oh my gosh, I was so right. Look how sick this is, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're shooting here right now.
I'm all for the mission to pray for the attention, because the best of us come with complacency issues, and then the chosen the high cause replacing on picking the tissues. They thinking and crying and laughing and ain't for the issue. I've been up like all night working on the crab cause the sucker don't ball right. Then we about to swing cause we ain't about to fall. I'm living on my knees cause I know it ain't all I. Oh my god, never gonna stop. Think I'm finna go and chase.
I thought this spot was gonna be a lot cooler than it actually was. On camera it doesn't really look that great, I don't think. We'll see when I get into post, but oh god, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's a big scrape. Okay, I put the camera down for a little while, but now it's time to go to this meet that I was talking about. We're picking up my buddy who's got a full bolt-on Subaru WRX. It's actually really crazy looking. I'll show it to you guys when we get there. He's not bringing his car, I don't think, but we'll see if I can convince him to. I don't know. Oh, sick Subaru, dude. Nice Subaru, dude. Show the world, dude. Oh boy, now you're showing me the. Are you showing me the V right now? Oh my goodness. Oh. Dang! What? No, I didn't see this. What the fuck? I did not see this. What do you mean? Holy cow, dude, that's fully. That's insane. I didn't know this was gonna be that big. Dude, this is actually beautiful. Like, I'm not even.
Beautiful Chinese yum.
No, seriously, dude.
$80.
Seriously?
Yeah, $80.
Dude, this is actually insane.
Everything else is actually quality parts, though.
Yeah, dude. Oh. No way, dude. Oh my god, I can't believe it's running, dude. I've made it run all this time.
It's a car.
Yeah, but like, I know, but dude, that's actually so cool to see. Is it quick at all? I mean, I know it's on a base map, but like, can you feel that it's like...
You want to drive it, like, don't worry. Just don't worry about it, don't worry about it.
So, obviously none of you guys know this, but Ryan bought this Integra a long time ago, took out everything, did a whole different motor, and now it's finally running, so that's insane. So we're gonna go take it down the street. I was about to reach for it.
Good habits. Look at this.
What is this, dude?
Oh, no. No one can take it.
Oh, now no one can take it. Okay. Yeah, I keep wanting to reach for his seatbelt, but I'm not getting anything.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna die.
Oh, listen to her purr, brother. Oh yeah, dude, she likes it.
She's kind of quick.
No, I can feel that she's. No, yeah.
So I'm gonna give it, but
I mean, have you ripped it at all yet, or no? You can't yet, right?
I mean, I could, but it's on a base map, so I shouldn't.
Yeah. And this has no power steering, right? Oh, I can feel it's gonna be quick. You can feel it.
Yeah, but I mean, that's about it.
That's so what, dude? That's so cool, man.
It'll be a fun driving car.
Yeah, dude, you built this thing from the literal ground up. Yeah. Like, this thing was completely our stock, regular Integra, and now it's got a 3.5 gauge in the back, A different motor.
Sitting there.
Yeah, sitting there. All right, boys. Went to the meet. Wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Our boy Ryan here kept us entertained. He was talking trash right next to all the owners of the cars. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna end it right there. All right, boys. Accidentally lied. Got a new location to another meet. This one's at Walmart. A little bit better. We see some actual cars that are looking like they're not cars. Yeah. they're just looking a little bit better. So we're gonna go check them out. I'll show you guys what we got here, but it's nothing crazy. His deal right here is all his boys, right? All your best friends?
I don't see Hondas.
All your best. Okay. This kid's trying to hide the fact that he's got a nice little Subaru sitting at home. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. I like that it's cut up like that. That's sick. I'm gonna send this to the state officials and get him state ref now. That's illegal.
And I went back to one of my Mexican buddies. Said, oh, what is that? I was like, chili.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you guys don't even know I used to have one of these. All right, boys, we went around the meet, you saw it. Not much to see, there's a couple things, but other than that, it's like, it is what it is, time to go home. All right, boys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.